It's Beth with H. Lee Inspired. Let's make a knitting machine baby whale. You will need a 22-pin knitting machine, yarn, tapestry needle, scissors, measuring tape, polyfiller stuffing, and safety eyes. You will begin by casting on and working 40 rows on your 22-pin knitting machine. Once you have completed 40 rows, cast off your machine. Now give your tube a good stretch and pull one end within itself. Cinch both ends tight, fasten off and secure with a knot. Then cut your yarn tails and flip your tube inside out. Now we need to create a drawstring around the bottom. Take your measuring tape and go about 1 inch up, and using your tapestry needle and a new piece of yarn, weave through every other stitch all the way around to create that drawstring. Next, we will add the safety eyes. To do that, I like to go ahead and add some stuffing into my whale. Then place your safety eyes where you would like them. Once you have them where you would like them, take the stuffing back out and secure the safety eyes with the snaps. Once secured, place your stuffing back in. Now cinch your drawstring tight, secure it with a knot, and then we're going to create the tail. Take a new piece of yarn and flatten out your tail so that it is straight with the body and eyes. Now you're going to mattress stitch from one corner all the way around to the other corner. Pull both ends of the yarn tails tight until all of the stitches are hidden. Now weave your yarn tails into the center bottom and secure them with a knot, making sure not to pull too tight, causing the tail to pull in. Now we need to make a separation in the tail. To do that, use your yarn tail, weave your yarn around the center of the tail, cinch it tight and secure it with a knot. Then weave your tails in and trim. Now we need to make 2 fins. To do that, you will cast on and work 5 rows. Cast off your machine. Now we need to create the fin. This part can be a little bit tricky since there's only 5 rows, but I like to place it around my fingers and then pull on the top and cinch it closed, and then pull on the bottom and cinch it closed. You might have to work it just a little bit, making sure that they don't curl. But once you get it cinched closed, then you're going to fold it in half and mattress stitch it closed. You should now have a little circle. Line your fins up with the tail and mattress stitch them on. Secure them with a knot and weave in any yarn tails that are remaining. You are now finished making your whale. If you choose, you can turn your whale into a narwhal. To create a horn, cut a circle out. Then cut your circle in half and then roll it and secure it with hot glue. Glue your horn in the center front of the narwhal. Another fun thing to do is add a keychain to it. These creatures are super fun on kids' backpacks. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I hope that you will come back to create other knitting machine babies with me. I have several other sea creatures coming your way. Also, if you would like to stay up to date on what's new, I will link in the description of this video all of my social media outlets. I do tend to be on Instagram more than anything, so if you would like to find the latest information about what's happening with my patterns, go to Instagram and follow me at HLeeInspired. Have a great day, guys.